Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Hello, hello. I've just sent out the link now, so we'll wait. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know why everyone is talking about this Beacon stock. Can anyone let me know what's going on with this play? It's all over Twitter. Stock twits, the whole shebang. Seems like it's getting pumped everywhere. CGC does not look great at the moment, unfortunately. No area of support yet. It's broken below this support here, so looks like it's going to keep going down. So this needs to find an area of support. So CGC needs to find an area. That's all I would do with that. It needs a pullback though. The stock's been extremely bullish. Right. OPGN has that look, low float RR split. I saw something about the company, I don't know, something's about the company, it's not great. Just be careful, that's all. OPGN. So yeah, OPGN is coming down. Maybe a retest here. Let's see. Break and retest. Right. What else is moving? Let me have a look here real quick. ABVC. Oh yeah, ABVC. Let me have a look at this thing. DJT. It's DJT day. What's DJT? Digital World Day. $60. I ain't gonna be day trading a $60 stock, I'm afraid. I ain't gonna be trading this, but it looks like it's breaking. Is this all-time high? I don't know. No, this is a big level though. 61.85, big level. Or $62. A lot of rejection here. Possibly a good short, to be honest. ABVC, let's see some key levels. So go to the 4 hour, look left. What levels are there to see? So all you do is, it's currently at 179. So the next resistance level is around here. So this level, 196. Then you have here 225, and then all the way to 265. So these are your levels on ABVC. Obviously, there's a big gap up. Let's see what this does. 265. Yeah, so these are your levels on ABVC. Looking extremely bullish at the moment. Looks like it will continue up. If this wicks above 195, it should continue to 225. MLGO, this is a former runner. I just have this on my watch list. It looks like it's in a bullish pennant. As long as it holds this 417, it should be okay. If it cannot break that, then I don't know. BCAN needs to obviously break. What is this? 205. Yeah, 205. Oh no, actually there's 220 levels bigger resistance here. Is there echo? I'm not too sure. I don't think so. Hello. It's fine. Not on my side, is an echo. Alright. CISS, just looking this on a day trading perspective. It's in a falling wedge in demand zone. Higher probability it'll go up than go down. If you did enter this trade, your stop loss would be below demand zone. OPGN's getting rocked right now. STRO, I'm not interested in this. Let me delete it. STOK. Yeah, I had it on my watch list. Yeah. So STOK couldn't break, couldn't hold this level. So I would just continue this high here, whatever this is. $13 can be a new resistance because every time it gets there, it's rejecting. I would use this as your demand zone, like around here, this level. So demand zone. It was you. All right. So either you wanted to pull back to demand zone or break above $13. Those are your two choices on STOK. Trying to enter in the middle here is very, very difficult. We don't know what will happen. It's either going to go up or down. If it breaks above that, higher probability to go up. If it pulls back into here, there's a higher probability to go up. Wolf just runs with Bitcoin, so whatever Bitcoin does, this will follow. So yeah, that's all I already have on this. Mark this high. If it breaks above this high, it will continue, but like I said, I think this is a blockchain play, so whatever Bitcoin does will follow. Meso looks like it's pulling back into some kind of demand zone, which is around here. Let's see if this can hold. I expected this to continue, but it doesn't look like it's doing it right now. So demand zone's here, last red candle for the push. It's a bit of a weird demand zone because it's large bullish engulfing, but this is that 8 a.m. candle, so I wouldn't really be too worried about it. At the moment, you can also identify the trend. The trend is obviously in a downtrend like that. Maybe it's in a falling wedge. Looks like it is setting up maybe for a possible breakout, but yeah. This is what you have for MESO. That's your current setup on the 5-minute. MNY, if it breaks 240, I'll be interested. Other than that, I'm not really interested in it. It's trading like a no man's land. Check. I'm very surprised with this play. I'm honestly surprised that it didn't hold this level, but I wasn't really interested unless it broke above the trend line. So it didn't do that. It just kept coming down, which is perfectly fine. Therefore, we have this last red candle. I've just used this because it gives me more of a range here. So we can see if it does hold here, but at the moment, there's a big sell-off. See what it can do here, though. Can make this whole trend here. Whole trend is bearish. Get a couple more touches in to get this a stronger area of resistance. So check we have here. So check in demand zone. Let's keep this one on watch though. OCGN. OCGN does look good. Simply just playing this trend, look. Strong bullish trend. Maybe good buys now actually. Look, every time it gets here, buy. So this is your simple trend line. Here was a buy. And then you have, this was a buy. Then this was a buy. This was a buy. And then you have the last one here, which is a possible buy. So simply just playing the trend, that's it. But yeah, that's what you have on this OCGN. What's this OCGN? So this is just respecting trend line. So trust the trend, that's all. If you did enter this, your stop loss would just have to be whatever, 7% below that, I guess. What does everyone like this morning? Where's the high relative volume? Here's a cheat code. I'll show you it right here. Just click on that and it will show you the top gainers. Takes 2 seconds. KULR. 40 cent stock, very bullish. I can give you key levels. So resistance is around here. What is this level? 0.46, and then all the way up here, and then like around here. What does this play? Technology. So these are your levels for KULR. Looking on a larger time frame, it is bullish. It's just looking continuation. Yesterday it ran out, pull back. Yeah, looks good. Bullish, bullish, bullish. I personally wouldn't buy now. I'd wait for at least a pullback. It will always pull back. It won't keep going up. Trust me. It will keep going. But yeah, I would just wait for it a bit. It looks good though. So now that it's broken, if this closes above, there's a high probability it'll go to 0.56. It looks very bullish though. MNY is literally just chilling. Here, let me do this demand zone here. Last red candle for the move up. So this is your 5-minute demand zone. I like to use it on the 5 minutes since I day trade. I don't need any larger time frame. 5-minute works fine for me personally. So here is your this is MNY. Check, looks like it's in demand zone right now. Selling is trying to slow down. If you did enter this at whatever this is, 250, stop loss would be below here. So like stop loss would be like 245 if you did enter. INTJ, I'm waiting for it to see if it can reclaim $2, but at the moment volume is sleeping. Yeah, I would wait. Personally, I would wait to see if we can get above $2. I sold a little, like a cent loss earlier. OCGN, see what it does do. XTLB. This is a larger time frame setup, but it looks like this resistance is around 340. So rejection here. It broke above, but then there's rejection again. CYTO, this is just yesterday's mover, 35%. Currently in a downtrend. It is in a demand zone though, but I personally would wait for 247, 250 break. ABVC, what's happening on this thing? All right, so maybe this is support around here. 159, 160. MLGO, it's just respecting that bullish pennant I have. BCAN, not really. I'm not really interested in that play at all. CXAI, let me have a look. I charted this earlier. Very low volume. Possible falling wedge on this. It is respecting this 230 support. So if you did enter now, you could try, but there's lack of volume. If you entered here, stop loss would be below support. So I'd have a max 5% stop loss if I did take this trade. That's how I would do it. Okay, this one's not doing much. OPGN. OPGN is trying to reverse here now. Not off any significant level. It's kind of just breaking, retesting, and hopefully it pushes up. This is your new area of support around here. So what's this? 0.75, yeah. It's a psychological level as well. So 0.75 looks like the new psychological support at the moment. So this was just a high I had on the like 10-minute, I think. CISS, just really doing its own thing. Let's clean it up a bit. This thing is 4 cents as well, so just be careful. Just scanning through plays right now at the moment, nothing worth entering. Okay, OCGN, let's see what we can do here if it can wick off this level. How long until this candle closes? Oh, there's INTJ. Volume spike on that. I'm not going to touch that BCAN play. This looks good though. Here, look. So you see this? It's not, it is a falling wedge if you want to go all the way down, but for me personally, I don't know what this candle, let's see the volume on this. Yeah, so I don't know, it looks a little bit different. The price action on this, I don't know. I'm not really convinced in it. Yeah, look, there's a volume spike and came straight down. I think it's just a really thin flow. Check. Yeah, checks. So look here, right? In demand zone right now, it looks like it's reversing. Good possible entries here. If anyone is in it, it's worth entries here. For sure. Everyone should be watching that in the Discord for sure, for sure. So everyone should be watching that. OPGEN. You joined at 0.75. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Maybe if it holds here, it'll keep going. This is good psychological level, so could be good entries. Where's VWAP? Yeah, if you reclaim VWAP, you're definitely gonna go. I would definitely be taking at least 50% of profits if you are up like 5%, especially on these players because they are very volatile. Beacon. Yeah, I don't know about Beacon. Let me see what else is moving. Any other plays moving at the moment? Mesa, DJT, Prax. Nothing at the moment. Damn, is my thing really that badly delayed? I need to sort that. I need to sort the delay out, my bad. I don't know why it's so delayed. It doesn't help, especially when I'm doing like live trading, I guess. If anybody knows how to turn off the delay, I might just look up on YouTube actually. How did I start learning to day trade at the start of a cold streak? What do you mean, bro? So MNY, everyone should just mark this 240 level. If it breaks above that, high probability to go up. I know it's broken above here, but usually when there's market open, it will probably, if it does break above, it'll probably continue up. Check, looking great. Well done if anybody grabbed here or here. Looks very, very good. INTJ, I don't know, it's a bit funky. Not really convinced on that. Yeah, this one's respecting this pretty well. Look at this. See, it was just a wick. That's why I said wait and see what happens. XTLB is waking up big time. ABVC, yeah, here goes XTLB right now. If that closes above, it'd definitely be a good entry. ABVC looks like it's got a double bottom here. Maybe, what is that, 148? Yeah, it's already up quite a bit. Yeah, this looks good. If you get a green candle closure here in 30 seconds, and maybe you could look for entries. Maybe. The reason why I say green candle, because it indicates that buyers are stepping in and indicates that sellers are losing. So this is a possible reversal. What you gonna do? Meso, so Meso's coming down. I want Meso in demand zone. This is ideally what I want. MNY. Not really too interested on this at the moment. Check looks fantastic. Well done if anyone got in. Check. INTJ. Oh, I don't know about INT. I really like this setup, but right now it's literally even now. It was up, obviously, 256 this morning, but now it's down. Volume's dead on it as well. GWAV, not interested. OPGN, there we go. Well done, whoever got in that 0.75. Well done. Lieutenant T's. Well done. So if you got in at 0.75, right, which is here, and you went up there, you're up 8%. I would definitely be out at least 50 to 70% of my position. That is how I would trade that. How do I select stocks to focus on daily? All I do is I go onto Webull, top gainers. I add all of them to my watch list, which are these, pretty much these. All of these will be into open, whatever plays, right? Out of these, whatever there is, like 15 here. Out of these 15, maybe 5 out of the 15 will hold into open, meaning they will respect levels and not get dumped and still actually have some volume. All I would do is, and then wait 15, 20, 30 minutes, however long it takes for me to get my setup. That's all I do every single day. I don't use a scanner or anything like that, screeners. I don't use any of that stuff. I literally just go onto Webull every morning and add the top gainers to my watch list. Very is bullish, as you can see. Apparently they have earnings or something. I think someone mentioned it. Oh, it had news. But yeah, just steady uptrend. That's it. Uptrend, 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 uptrend. So UN. So SOUN's respecting this 4-hour demand zone. This is looking nice. So Sun is respecting this demand zone. So this is trying to reverse. So if you did enter this trade, your stop loss would have to be a much larger stop loss because it's on the 4-hour. So obviously you can see the range of this is quite a bit, yeah, like 13%. So it does look like it is trying to push up though. It is a former run as well, so there's a high probability it can push up. So just keep an eye on it. Where's that? Check. XTLB did not close above, therefore I personally wouldn't be interested in it yet. MLGO, nothing really. Yeah, so as I mentioned, if anyone listened or grabbed it, ABVC once its candle closed, which was that closure here, there you made a quick, whatever it's up, 5-6%. So well done if you did grab it. Very quick and easy trade. Very simple. Easy. Well done if you guys got in. I personally didn't because I'm doing this, but if you did, congratulations. There is your trade. Right, that was just simple double bottom. Found an area of support here. Buyers were stepping in. You can see that by green candles. That shows that buyers are in. If you see a lot of red, sellers are in control. Buyers are in control. Sellers are in control. CYTO looks very good. It's warming up. Check. Meso is here. Meso is just in a falling wedge right now. Looks good. It looks good. It didn't come into the demand zone, but it is still a valid setup. Looks like it's trying to reverse. Should get to at least 305 level. Looks nice though. ISPC. Very low volume. ISPC is a very easy setup to see. If you want to look, this is what you can see. You can see that all it's doing is going down to the ground. So nothing on this unless it breaks above the trend line. Why? Because that indicates that there is a reversal. At the moment, it's extremely bearish. I would not touch it at all. Unless you know what's coming for it. But yeah, just letting you know. Does not look great. Guys, I'm about to post the new YouTube video for the episode 3. The link is out now. I've just posted it. Here is the link. If you guys can do me a favor, 2 favors or 3 favors. If you can subscribe to the channel, if you can like this stream And then whenever you get a chance to also like this video and watch it when you get a chance, it would be greatly appreciated. So the link is out. I just posted there in the chat box. All right, link. Guys, I will send you the Discord link now. Just give me a second. The Discord, the difference between Discord and Twitter is very simple. On Twitter, I just literally share setups that I like. If I enter any trades, right, or myself and Hassi enter any trades, all we do is we give you guys stop loss entries and targets and live seminars, live trading every single day. And then basically teach you how we trade. You can see our setup, strategy, everything's there. So Twitter is more for just showing you guys setups and understanding technicals, because you see my charts is pretty much the same all the time. But if you want to know how I trade and to be able to understand why I'm getting these trades, then yeah, you can join. Here's the link. Let me just send it real quick. Yeah, but this is the new one. I know a lot of you guys are enjoying it, which is great. A lot of you guys are enjoying the new YouTube videos. Let me just post this. Give me one sec. Yeah, this ISPC is a no bueno at the moment, unfortunately. What else is moving? Check is right here. Check is coming down, so it couldn't actually reverse here. I'm assuming it's hit an EMA or something. DNUT. I saw this was up pre-market. Nothing really on this. I know it's a $14 stock. Krispy Kreme. It needs to break this high, which is 1541. Gets above 1541, continuation. Other than that, it's just consolidating. There's no trend at the moment, unfortunately. Assuming it had earnings, because normally these stocks wouldn't be up like this. This is looking good. MNY. MNY is pushing up into market open, which is a good sign. I would definitely keep this on watch. This is a no-brainer to keep on watch. Why? Because it ran 63% yesterday. It's up 5% right now. It looks like it's about to go. So yeah, MNY looks setting up for open for sure. MNY. You can see the buyers stepping in. A lot of green candles compared to the red. Volumes coming in. Candles are looking good. All things are adding up for it to go. However, it needs to break 240. XTLB is right here. Yeah, so no closure above equals no entry. It needs to get above 340. I'm not really interested in OCGN, to be honest. CYTO looks fantastic. This is on the watch list as well. So CYTO looks like it's breaking the downtrend. It's in the demand zone. Well, it was here, but looks like it's trying to break the downtrend, moving up into open. Yesterday, mover was up 35%. So this is another setup I like. So all I'm doing is I'm thinking about it logically. I'm looking at the market time. The market opens in 25 minutes, right? This has been respecting this level all day. It's up nearly 1%, which doesn't really mean too much, but I can see that it is starting to push to the upside. It's starting to break up to 247. If it breaks above this 240, what is this, 246 level, there is a high probability it will push to 270, right? So at the moment, it does look very good. I personally am going to wait into open, but I do like this play a lot. OCGN, yeah, like I said, I'm not really too interested. CYTO, or CIS, sorry, it's all right. OPGN, Looks fantastic. Well done if you got in this play. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Held 0.75 and it went kaboom. So this looks good. Yeah, very nice on this. So for the sub $1 lovers, this looks like a good play to watch today because it's pushing up into open. It also is a former runner, so keep that in mind. So usually that means that if it's a former runner, it will respect. There's a high probability it will push up again. ABVC's come back down. Check is just consolidating in demand zone. If this holds its demand zone into open, it should continue up. XTLB, not really interested too much. MNY, yeah, I like MNY. CYTO, there we go. It's pushing, pushing, pushing. I'm expecting in the next 2-3 minutes that this will run up. That is my prediction. So right now to 237, expecting it to be at like 250 soon. BBAI. I'm going to look at this one and then I'm going to head into the Discord, guys. I see some of you have joined. Members, I will DM you guys and send you just to watch the intro video once you join. It's just like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but it's just going through the whole Discord so you can understand what's going on. Yeah, live trading link will be sent out like 5 minutes before open. BBAI, it's looking good. A lot of bullish price action at the moment. Here, this is your resistance here, 225, 225, sorry. I don't know if this has any earnings or anything coming up, but yeah. Reason I say 225 is because it's rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7. So if it closes above, it will probably head to the next resistance level, which is around here. That's how I would play it. But yeah, it is a former mover, so keep that in mind. So this needs 225 break BBAI. Needs 225 break above. All right, guys, please go and watch the YouTube video when you get a chance. I would greatly appreciate it from myself and Hassi. Yeah, like I said, new members, I'll send you guys a DM now with the link to watch the video. Thanks for joining, guys. I really appreciate it. If you can do me a favor before you leave and like up the stream. We only have 14 likes and we have 40 people in here. So if we could get to at least 30, that would be fantastic. But yeah, I will share charts where I can, guys, but I'm going to be focused for the first hour or so in the Discord with live trading. So I will catch you all then. Have a great day, guys.